let's look at a very easy but powerful trading strategy which makes you money on a regular basis. Some days it will not work, so what? In that day you are actually saving the money rather than losing the money. Yeah, this is the trading strategy which I will be discussing in detail in this particular video. If you can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and this is exotic investment like for the algorithm. That being said, today's video is about a trading formula based on Fibonacci retracement. So how we will draw the Fibonacci retracement is Fibonacci retracement is drawn from the highest to the lowest, or if it has actually scaled from lowest to the highest within 9:15 to 11 AM of that particular day's futures. So here we will actually draw from the highest level, that is the 18,097 levels, and the lowest level it has scaled up to within 11 o'clock is at the level of 17,982 levels. So here the highest level we will actually, if we actually did not get the highest level, exact level, we will draw it to the nearest point. So now we have to draw it at 18,097 levels. Yeah, 97.05 is where we actually got it, and here the lowest is at 17,982.1 levels. Yeah, we exactly got that. So now we have actually drawn the Fibonacci retracement. The strategy is very simple. The trade is taken after it crosses the level that is 1, that's the lowest, and or if it actually crosses on the highest side, if it is a 0. Okay, so it may be 0 at the bottom and 1 at the top if the market has actually gone from bottom to the top within that 9:15 to 11 AM range. Okay, so the trade goes like this. Once it crosses the level 1 on the lower side, then you will buy it after it closes one candle. It has to close downer, second candle has to open downer as well. In such a case, that you will buy at the beginning of that particular candle and wait for the target till 1.382 levels, that is 38.2% levels on the lower side, and that's the target. And what is the stop loss? The stop loss is the consolidation zone, 3 points above the consolidation zone if you are actually selling the futures, and 3 points below if you are actually buying the futures. The consolidation level itself is a support, right? So that's the reason we will actually take 3 points above the consolidation zone. This is the consolidation zone, so we will keep it at 96.8, right? 99.8 is where we will actually place our stop loss level. So here will be our stop loss level, and the target is at 1.382 levels. So if we had taken this particular trade, we would have executed it at this particular location where it is actually opening lower, and we will actually take this trade on the lower side where it actually went to the 1.382 level in this level, and the stop loss will be here. So our risk to reward ratio is 1.45. Yes, sometimes it will be lower, however most of the times it will be more than 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And there is one more trade this particular day. There is a cross of 1 here, and afterwards it crossed below, it closed below, and this is opening below as well. So this is one more trade we can actually take. So take the trades only till 2:30, right? So don't take the trades after 2:30 because it will be going sideways or in one direction on the lower side. So till 2:30 you can take the trade, and 1:36 is where the trade is. So if we had actually taken this particular trade on the short position, we would have taken the trade at, this is closing lower and the second is opening lower. This is the place where we would have taken the trade, and the trade would have actually gone up to 1.382 levels still here at this level, and the position of the previous consolidation zone would have been somewhere around here. So this is the one level, right? So this would be the consolidation zone. 3 points above that, 91, 94. Okay, 94 will be our stop loss level. So 94 will be our stop loss level. We have bought it over here and we have sold it over here. So this risk to reward ratio, okay, I have to adjust the stop loss. So the risk to reward ratio is 2.05 in this particular situation. So that's the trade for you. And this short position is the profit you can actually make on a regular basis. This is a very simple but straightforward trading strategy which makes money on a regular basis. My actual algorithm actually mentions that it is 67% profitable. So if at all you like this trading strategy, please do use it, and afterwards please give a thumbs up or like for this video if you actually liked it. That being said, give a like or a dislike, but subscribe to Exotic Investment for more videos like this. This trading strategy is brought to you by Exotic Investment, and this is Ashok signing off. Happy trading and happy money making.